What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sat coming to you with today's stock pick, financial news, indicator support, and general investing help. Remember, this page is all about no face, just facts in 5. I do the research, so you don't have to. Today, we're talking about a stock that's quietly been turning into an absolute monster while most retail investors are still sleeping on it. The ticker is HPE, Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Right now, the stock is sitting around $37, and over the past year, it's already climbed more than 108%. But here's the crazy part. I still think this stock has room to run. Now, when people hear Hewlett Packard, they automatically think old computers, printers, outdated tech. But HPE is not that company anymore. HPE is one of the major infrastructure players powering AI, cloud computing, networking, and enterprise data centers. And if you've been paying attention to this market, you already know infrastructure is where the real money is being made. Everybody wants to talk about NVIDIA. Everybody wants to chase the flashy AI names after they already exploded. But what smart investors understand is this. AI needs infrastructure. AI needs servers. AI needs networking. AI needs storage. AI needs power. And HPE is right in the middle of all of that. That's why I'm calling HPE the sleeping doubler. Now let's talk about the chart first, because the technicals are looking strong. Over the last year, this stock has gone from around $17 to over $37. That's more than a double already, but what really stands out is the momentum. The stock recently broke out to new highs with strong bullish candles and rising volume. That tells me institutions are accumulating shares. And remember, institutions move stocks long term. When you see consistent higher highs, higher lows, and strong breakout momentum like this, it usually means the market is pricing in future growth. This isn't just a meme rally. This is smart money rotating into infrastructure plays tied to AI expansion. Now, one of the biggest reasons investors are starting to wake up to HPE is because of their AI partnerships and enterprise solutions business. Companies around the world are scrambling to build AI capabilities, and they need scalable infrastructure to do it. HPE provides cloud services, data center solutions, hybrid cloud architecture, and AI-ready systems for businesses that don't want to build everything from scratch. That's a massive opportunity. And here's another thing people overlook. HPE actually makes money. Unlike a lot of speculative AI companies burning cash every quarter, HPE is profitable, established, and generating revenue from real enterprise customers. That matters in this market. Investors are starting to move away from hype and back toward companies with actual fundamentals. Now let's talk valuation. Even after the stock doubled, HPE still isn't trading at some insane valuation compared to many tech names. That's why I think this stock still has upside. Wall Street is finally starting to recognize that AI isn't just about chips anymore. It's about the entire ecosystem. And infrastructure companies are going to benefit massively over the next several years. Another thing I like about HPE is the dividend. Yeah, this company actually pays investors while you hold the stock. So not only do you get growth potential from the AI boom, but you also get paid to wait. That combination of growth plus income is exactly the type of setup long-term investors should be paying attention to. Now, of course, no stock moves in a straight line. After a huge run like this, you could absolutely see short-term pullbacks or profit taking. That's normal. But zooming out, the bigger trend still looks bullish to me. The AI race is just getting started. Governments are investing billions. Big tech is spending aggressively. Companies everywhere are trying to modernize their infrastructure, and HPE is positioned right in the middle of that transformation. That's why I think this stock could still surprise a lot of people over the next couple of years. Now, am I saying HPE is going to become the next NVIDIA overnight? No. But what I am saying is this stock still feels undervalued relative to the opportunity in front of it. And those are exactly the types of stocks I like looking for on this channel. The sleepers, the overlooked names, the stocks quietly building momentum before everybody else catches on. And honestly, I'd rather catch a stock before it becomes mainstream instead of chasing it after it already made headlines everywhere. So if you've been looking for an AI infrastructure play that still has room to grow, HPE might deserve a spot on your watch list. But as always, don't just buy because somebody on YouTube said so. Do your own research. Study the financials. Watch the price action. Understand your risk tolerance. And never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because we're dropping more sleeper stocks, ETFs, AI plays, and market opportunities every single week. This is Stocks by Sat 06. No face, just facts in 5.